Guys and girls, I'm just doing an interview on this cute kitty cat, and well, he's got a lot to say, guys and girls, and I think he'll set the record straight. Yeah, he'll set it straight, he said. So, I got some questions for you. Do you know Richlife of Roadtrips? Yeah, okay. Is he a good guy? Oh, a very good guy. All right. Is he really rich? Okay. He's got 6 figures, the kitty cat said. All right. Well, tell me more. Is he good looking? Oh, very good looking. All right. How about his RV? Oh, yeah, it's the tits. All right. And tell me this. Where should the trolls go? Alcatraz. That's right.